Hi everyone, enjoy watching, don't forget like, share and subscribe. Hello friends! Autumn has arrived, and it's time to bring the charm of this season into your kitchen. In this video, we'll share kitchen decoration ideas that will create a warm and cozy atmosphere in autumn. Let's start by changing the kitchen's color palette. Replace kitchen towels, aprons, and table accessories with autumn colors like warm orange, deep brown, and golden yellow. Add a touch of nature to your kitchen by placing some autumn plants like dried flower arrangements and branches with autumn leaves. Lighting is key. Replace the lights with scented autumn candles and warm-toned bulbs that will create a warmer atmosphere in your kitchen. Make the kitchen wall your creative canvas. Add wall decor with autumn images, dried leaf arrangements, or decorated boards that reflect the charm of this season. Finally, decorate your dining table with autumn table runners, scented candles, and autumn-themed tableware. This will make your meals feel more special during this season. That's it, autumn kitchen decoration ideas that will bring warmth to your kitchen. We hope you're inspired to try these ideas yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who also love autumn. Thank you for joining us.